Hi guys, it's Candace. Welcome back. I know I'm doing two Etsy shares back to back. I'm sorry, but I did need to share these. I had printed them, and then we had issues between everything, and then the horses. So, but I did want to share this with you so I can do my Etsy share, so then we can move on to some projects and making some stuff with these new ones. Excuse me, but it's late this evening and I've been outside in the cold playing with the horses. All right, so this is a Valentine's digital from the Junk Journal Studio. It's called Love Always. Oops. Let me make sure I do it this way. So it's called Love Always. And these are really cute. And they don't have to be, for Valentine. They could be for, you can put them in for Victorian. Just to let you see, I had a printing faux pas with this one. So I just tore it, and I'm going to use it for collage backing, because why waste it? Some pretty lace on there. And then, like I said, this is really pretty with the roses. Your little fat cheeks. Looks like a little flower fairy in there. Some vintage Valentine stuff. This would be pretty, for your backing pages. And the love doves kissing in their mirror images. And then this little rose. And some long tags. Cute. I love, if you're not into just all pinks and reds and stuff, that you have some blues and other colors in here. Saint Valentine. I think we have a washi tape with that, with like purple flowers maybe. Ruta Fabrics. Corsets. I love these bingo cards that have different things on there. She'd had one on the in the spring one that was green. I think it said bloom maybe. And then her tickets and her other little stamps. Cute little cherub. Some envelopes. Envelope liner. And just because it's an envelope doesn't mean you have to use it as an envelope. I mean, you can make journal cards and all kinds of other stuff. Y'all know, you've seen me. I rarely use it as how it is. Well, it's because, when you make an envelope, then you have to stick it on there, and you lose some of the pretty pictures. Like, this would be pretty if you, take and put some paper on here, make it collagey a little bit, and yeah, for a large journal card. And this right here, this is poor Karen waiting for her mail in Australia because Australia says no U.S. mail. Same. I'm so sad. We're going to fix it somehow. You might have to wait till next year, but by gosh, you're going to get this stuff. This is pretty color. Oh. Number one, be mine. I don't know why I just said it like that. Some playing cards. In case you guys don't have any. Those are really cute. I'm sorry, I haven't really looked at these when I printed them out, so I'm looking at them now. And then this looks like someone, like my shirt. Oh, I got horse spit on me. Well, that's actually some of that medicine. Oh, it was everywhere. Oh. I wish you could see. Let me see if I can get my shirt in here. Can you see? It's got a moose on it that's embroidered on it. It's a fleece thing. I came prepared for the cold down here today. Oh, but that reminds me of embroidery around there. It's really cute. And little Miss Chunky Girl with her little Valentine candy. She's been eating them all. Oh, look at this. This reminds me, my grandmother had a beautiful, whatever that is. I forget now. Oh my gosh. These are pretty butterflies too. Now, the only problem, I don't know, do you guys have a problem like when you get the ones with the holes already punched in there, that you have a hard time following the line? Or is it easier for you just to punch it with the hole if it was straight across? I don't know. Just thought I'd ask. Oh. How cute. Tickle, tickle, tickle. Oh, sorry, just had to do it. 5 cents. And this actually looks embossed. It's really pretty. Oh, see? If I cut the feather out, I could have tickled his little belly with the tickle, tickle, tickle. Oh my gosh. So that's the Love Always Valentine kit from the Junk Journal store. Like I said, I will put these links in there for you. And well, actually, this will be 2/1/22 when I post that. Let me make me a note. Okay, I had something else I had to write on. Okay. Oh gosh, I've even lost them. Holy crud. Oh. Then there's this one that's 20 pages of love definitions and more. 2/1/22. Oops, let me make sure I go on the right way. So we just have our large ones, and some. Look at these orange butterflies. Oh, medium size, and then small. And then this black and white's pretty to where you can always take your little markers or your distress watercolor paints and shade them in however you want. But that's really pretty, and put a number in there. Am I even in? Whoops. Hopefully you saw what I was just showing you a minute ago. Anyway, if not, these black and white ones are really pretty. You can use your markers or distress inks and stuff and put them in there and make them any color you want. Oh my gosh. Oh, but these, oh my, that is such a pretty color. And I love these little labels with the flowers and stuff on there. And the love birds. Some more of those embroidery hearts. And black and white. And I recognize this, Michelle. This is your little logo on your Etsy shop for the Junk Journal Studio. No. Oh, look, speaking of booties, my daughter-in-law sent over Stone's first little new baby pictures. She has a photographer that does her maternity pictures and her newborn baby pictures and stuff. So they sent them over, and they had a little booty in one. I was like, oh my gosh. So, but look how cute these are with the flowers in the background. And I love these little rose bouquets on the heart. Some more of those cute little cherubs. The scroll's pretty, and these are pretty too. And then this would, go for a lot of stuff with your little Victorian ladies and things. I just want to see what Valentine. A card sent often anonymously on February 14th to a person one loves. Well, how do you know if you love them? Someone should know you love them. I don't know, but you could be a creeper and stalking them. So, that's pretty rose. Don't they call those like a tea rose? Or is that a wild rose? I love this kind of orangey salmon background. And then these would go into any of your Victorian type journals too. And then those green roses. Well, I can't grab it. There we go. And a lot of different black and white things that you can use in a bunch of your other things. Like if you do any kind of grungy or steampunk and stuff, that'll go great with them. And they're always calling for something with, you know, clocks or time on there. And a little cherub on a heart. And these are pretty background roses and music. And then this is like a hot pink. Not really hot pink. I don't know. A dark rose or something. And then this, I just printed them 2 per page to see what they look like for a smaller size. But I didn't click my page fit, so it chopped the bottoms of the butterfly off. So, argh. And then that's what these look like. This was the large ones that I shrunk and put 2 per page. And this was the other one that I did 2 per page. Just so I can get a smaller size of them. And that's the other one that I did 2 per page too. So that's this one, which is the 20 pages, love definitions and more. And then I just had to get this one because it was too cute. Vintage Valentines. I can't believe it's February. Good gosh. Oh, and I did print them, duh. But this is definitely some older little Valentine cards. Oh, look, the little bee goes into there. I want Tub Be Yours. How cute. Remember when we were little and we used to, let me make sure I'm in stinking frame. Okay. Used to get some of the cutest little things. Oh, like this would be cute in a sewing thing. It says, I'm so sure you're the one for me. Oh, hi, sugar. Let's be Valentines. Yeah. John's just feeding the dogs. He had to lay down after he ate. And I should have fed the dogs too, but I did this. I figured they could survive. But anyway, we have got to figure out what's going on. It has just gotten beyond bad. And I called the doctors today, and they're like, oh, we can't reschedule. We can't schedule you sooner than his other appointment because he tested positive, which he's not had any other symptoms except the 2 days that he ran the fever and just felt, you know, like head cold. I mean, he's not coughing. He's actually coughing less, which is nice. And, but he's just not eating. And steady losing weight, losing his patience, which is driving me insane because... you know, oh, and I'm afraid it's side effects of these trial drugs, and if that's the case, then they're going to stop it, and then we're back at square one again, but they might just have to stop it for 2 weeks to give him a break, because it's that bad. So anyway, take a swing with me and be my Valentine. That little puppy. There's a little Valentine in his basket. This is a duplicate page. So, oops. Cameo. That's what those are. It just came to me. Duh. That was a little obvious. But, yep. But yeah, no, I did a really cute project, and I went to stick 2 of my little tags in there, and I glued the stupid things together. So I'm like, well, there's just no point in going any further with this film, with this video, because I've messed it up. So I have to redo it. And anyway, so, but I will show the other one. So if you'd like to glue the 2 sides together, then you would have less tuck spots. It's just as cute, but how I originally intended it. And then I obviously, in filming it, I gave it away because my obvious, comment to me being stupid and gluing the pages shut, the pockets shut, was like, I don't know how to edit. So, if I did, I could have went back and fixed it, but I don't. So, yeah. So that was my duplicate page. So I was like, well, so much for this video. And I said, I'll have to redo this one, and that'll just be how it is. So that's how I left it. And I was just like, oh, you're such a dummy. I can't believe. Well, then I had only printed one of those pages because I was putting it into one of the journals, which I did put it in the journal as it was because I had already glued it to it. So I couldn't take it out. So I was like, what a dummy. Duh. Stupid. But anyway, so I gave up and just, that was it. I let it get the better of me this time, and I just walked away, and I was just upset with myself because I was a dum-dum. But the other one is cute, and so I will show you the correct way and the other way too. But I'm not going to share the video because it's just an obvious flub up. So, but this is the other one with the love always, and I think this would be really cute. I'm wondering, maybe like in a little altered book. What do you think? Y'all want me to do an altered book? Let me know. Give me a challenge to do something with this love always thing. All right, guys. This is a short one. I'm sorry. But I've got to go upstairs and see what's going on because John has not fed them yet. And it's just it's like 8:30 now. And that's just too long for them. And I heard him fussing. So anyway, so I will see y'all tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Thanks for sharing some of your time with me. Thanks for sharing some of your day with me. Thanks for all your love, all your support. Thanks for the new subscribers. Y'all, I promise you I will get back to making something instead of just showing things. But this is important too, as doing Esty Shares, to show you some things that we're going to be playing with. But I do need to go see what's going on up there because... Anyway, I will see y'all on the next video, and like I said, I will film something tomorrow, even if it's just a small little project. I don't know yet. I have to wait to see what comes tomorrow. But and if I do a project one, it will be late because I'll post this one in my regular 10 o'clock morning slot, and then I'll try to get something else done. With that little project, or just working on one of the other little journals that I'm messing in. But what I was telling you is I had printed papers and I had used them up in this other thing. So then the other journal that I want to do, and I attached my first prototype into another journal. So then I didn't have anything to do to refilm myself. So I have to go find some other papers that I want to use for this other journal so I can show you the proper way how to make this little project before I glue it into another one. But, at least I didn't waste them, but I wasted my video. So, anyway, enough. Wah. So, I will see y'all tomorrow. And like I said, thanks for everything. Thanks for putting up with me. And I hope you have a great day and a blessed day. And if anybody has this crazy cold, flu, sinus, nonsense, let's all band together and kick it in its butt and just send it to the moon, because I am over it. But I will see y'all tomorrow. Lots of kisses, lots of love, and thanks for everything, and I will see y'all later. Bye, guys.